So the score after 1 over is 5 runs. Loopy ball. Wide ball given by the umpire. एक रन यहाँ पे. The little princess in town for us. White ball. White ball signaled again. Dot ball. That's a dot ball again. A mountain of dot deliveries by the Lions. They need to score, and they need to score a big. No ball. बॉल पहुंचते पहुंचते अंधार हो जाता है, इतना स्लो है बॉल. In the air, and that's a catch. That's a catch again. Tap shot. Can we get a run out? Can we get a run out? And Devrukkar says out. Umpire says out. आमच्या टुर्नामेंटच्या भाषेत पंचांचा निर्णय अंतिम निर्णय. Umpire, the batter wants this guard. Into the next over. Nicely played. That was a catch, but dropped again by the Sterners fielder. 2 runs into the tally. Oh, that was a miss by the fielder. But the stunners are doing a pretty good job out here, maintaining the runs to the lowest total. और ये बेहतरीन शॉट था लेकिन एक ओ ओ ओ कंफ्यूजन द बैट्समैन गोज इन द क्रीज अगेन. No ball given by the umpire. It goes for 2 runs. Total 3. No ball. Six runs. 6 runs. Again heaved on, but no runs to get. What a shot that is. Heaved on to the leg side. Nice shot for 6. Wonderful shot, wonderful batting that by the Lions team. No ball given by the umpire. That's gone for 2 runs plus no ball plus free hit. That's gone for 6 again. What a shot. दे रहा है लेकिन बहुत दुरुस्त आया है यहाँ पे. Excuse me, guys. Can we have the table, please? Can we have the table, please, guys? Please. Sorry to interrupt you. Sorry to interrupt you. But we just want a table for the prize inauguration. So, thank you for your support. Thank you for your response. The score after 3 overs is 40 runs. It's a no ball given by the umpire. Oh, that's heaved away. Four, lovely 6. Oh, wanted to heave that, but was not successful in doing so. Played a cross bat shot. That's a wonderful shot. Just got the elevation, but not the distance. So gets 1 run. No ball again. That's a dot again. That's a dot again. Wonderful bowling by the Stunners. No ball. Free hit given to the batter. लेग साइड पे हीव करते हुए रन दौड़ना चाहते थे. The score after 4 overs is 55. Wide ball given by the umpire. Full toss ball. 1 run declared. No ball given by the umpire again. Wonderful shot, but straight into the hands. Oh, what a catch! It's a beauty. It's sublime. It's so fresh. Wonderful catch. A diving and a great effort by the fielding team. And that goes for a boundary. That goes for a boundary again. After 2 balls, the score is 63. Oh, that's a miss. That's a miss. Again, he heaves on onto the leg side. They want a run, and they are successful in doing so. That's a dot again. एक रन. Again in the air, but not able to clear the infield. Okay, the Lions, their innings is over. They scored 74 runs, and for the Stunners to win, they need a mere 75. I say mere, looking upon to the past and the history they have scored in. I request Lions to start the innings as soon as possible. They CPL Stunners require 75 runs in 30 balls. The first team, which is in the group table, the tabletop, will be qualified to the final straight away, and the semi-final will be played between the second number and the third number. And that team winner will compete the one number spot of the tabletopper in the finals. First ball hits for six. Aaye, lagaye, khade khade, one khede. Second ball, again he goes for 2 runs. Okay. स्ट्राइकर टीम कहाँ पे स्ट्राइकर्स के स्ट्राइकर्स के जो प्लेयर अवेलेबल नहीं है, प्लीज मेक देम अवेलेबल एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. वी आर स्टार्टिंग द सेमीफाइनल असैप. वी आर स्टार्टिंग द सेमीफाइनल सून एज दिस मैच गेट्स ओवर. स्ट्राइकर्स के प्लेयर, सभी स्ट्राइकर्स के प्लेयर जल्द से जल्द प्लेइंग अरीना की तरफ आ जाइए, क्योंकि वी आर स्टार्टिंग द नेक्स्ट मैच विच इज द सेमीफाइनल सून एज दिस मैच गेट्स ओवर. तुम्हाला बोलवलंय ना ते आयसीसी ने. Oh, he just missed a lolly dolly over here. लड्डू को मिस करते हुए यहाँ पे स्टनर्स के बैट्समैन. Next ball from Lions. Again he misses the same delivery, and so does the keeper misses. It's a wide ball given. Next up, again same ball, same shot, same wicket keeping or same miss. सेम शॉट. और ये एक्शन रिप्ले पे एक्शन रिप्ले हम लोग देख रहे हैं. इनटू द फ्लैशबैक. और ये इस बार कनेक्ट किया है. एक रन आता हुआ. Stunner need 37 in 18 balls. First ball is being gets down the leg side for a wide. 2 runs in total. And that's been power hit for 6. What a wonderful display of batting that is. Again goes for it. यहाँ पे राजधानी यहाँ पे चल पड़ी है. एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक. अगर किसी की वॉशिंग मशीन खराब हुई है तो इस बैट्समैन को लेके जाइए, क्योंकि ये धोने में बहुत ही माहिर है. शौर्य into the act, into the precision. What a wonderful display of batting this is from Shaurya. Batting and hitting along. That goes for a hat-trick of sixes. एंड शौर्य का रिकॉर्ड 14 बॉल 50 था. यहाँ पे 12 बॉल में 50 रन हुए हैं. बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर शौर्य. 12 बॉल्स 50, द फास्टेस्ट ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट. 12 बॉल में 50 किए हैं कंप्लीट. ये एक रिकॉर्ड है इस टूर्नामेंट का. फर्स्ट सीजन का रिकॉर्ड, द फास्टेस्ट 50. कैन ही ब्रेक हिज ओन रिकॉर्ड इनटू द फाइनल्स? गोस फॉर 6 अगेन. आओ खाओ और 6 मारते जाओ. Well played, my dear. Well played. Oh, he wanted a run, but that is denied. Oh my God. Shaurya is fuming over here. He is angry towards the non-striker. The non-striker was pretty much confident. भाई तू उधर ही रुक, मैं संभाल लूंगा. तेरा भाई खड़ा है भाई. Shaurya was in disdain. Shaurya was fuming over there. He wanted a single, but he was confidently refused by his non-striker. And now let's see what the non-striker has in store for his team. Oh my God. That's an Ambrose Beamer. Next ball. Connects. Oh, fails to connect. He's out. It was a free hit, but it was a free hit. Next ball. Oh, he connects this time, but straight into the hands of the bowler. Shaurya is fuming over there. Again, he fails to connect, but gets 1 run of his own luck through a bye. Oh my goodness. We have seen such a nice garba from last 5 minutes. Oh my God, he connects this time and he refuses 1 run. He connects this time as well. 2 runs on the taking. Stunners require 2 runs. Oh, he gets and connects to 6. Wonderful display of batting by Shaurya. Shaurya has taken his team up to home and taken his team for the final. Please, CPL Stunners, see you in the finals. Congratulations, CPL Stunners, on getting into the finals. You can rest for a while now as we lock on for the semi-final of this championship, of this tournament. Champions Premier League semi-final number 1, which is to be played between CPL Strikers and CPL Warriors. The team which wins will lock horns with CPL Stunners into the finals. CPL Stunners. I request both the teams to come in the arena. Both the teams, CPL Strikers and CPL Warriors. Come on, get in the playing arena. CPL Strikers और CPL Warriors दोनों भी अंदर आ जाइए. Team players, the owners, the captains.